What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a butterfly knife trick video. As you can see by the title, this is an intermediate trick. I don't have a name for this opening, but it's an opening. You can execute this opening in two different ways. One way where it ends in it being closed, so it's actually not an opening that way, or it can end in it being open, obviously, so then it is an opening. But you can add it to other tricks where you may not want it to be open at the end of the trick, so your flow keeps going the way you want it, so you can execute it either way. I'll teach you guys both ways. It's really very simple. It's not that complicated. It's intermediate. I wouldn't call it easy, but I wouldn't call it hard. You'd probably be able to figure out this trick within a few minutes, or probably an hour or something of practicing it. But yeah, here, I'll show you guys the trick first. So obviously you're gonna be starting with it closed. You're gonna be using the green handle, which is, it always has this on it, the little latch. The red handle, you can cut yourself if you have a real butterfly knife. You'll cut yourself. With a trainer, obviously it won't cut you, though it does seem to be a little sharper than the back side for some reason. But anyways, so I'll show you guys the trick to begin with. So it goes like this. So that's with it ending with the opening. Then you can execute it another way where it actually just ends closed, like this. Oh, I messed that up. Ends like that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this trick. So first, flip it over. You're going to want to put your index finger on the green handle. So it's going to be under these blades. So you're going to flip it over, move your index finger while you do that. You see how I do that? It's on the back right now. It flips open, and while I'm flipping it open, I'm putting my index finger right there. You're going to want to do that so you have good flow. So you're going to open it, you're going to put your index finger there, and you're going to flip it back, and then you're going to want to put your index finger on this side of the green handle and your thumb on this side. It's kind of hard at first. It's hard to get it's hard to do it all in one motion and have a handle of the blade and stuff at the same time, but you'll get it over time. So you're gonna wanna hold it like that, and then you're gonna wanna flip it over like this. So then you're going to want to flip it down, and then it's gonna land on your index finger. And then this is the part where it can either be an opening or a closing. So you can either close it and you can not have your index finger there, or then you can go ahead and flip it over and then it's going to be opened. So I'll show you again just so you can see what I mean. You'd flip it open, flip it over again, then flip it around, and then flip it down. You could either flip it down like that from there, or you could flip it on your finger and then back, and then it would be open. So I'll show you guys that in slow motion. So yeah, basically that's the trick. It's not too complicated, it's pretty easy to learn. If you couldn't figure it out just from watching that, try watching the video again. You could even slow it down just to get what I mean. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm going to be putting out some really good karambit and butterfly knife tricks soon once I can learn them. They're going to be expert tricks, so it's going to take me a little while before I can master them to show you guys. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one.